Trace and cut enables you to take printable files and turn them into cutting files. The files that you are able to open in your software will depend on the version you're running. For JPEGs and PNGs and a variety of other files, you're OK with the Basic Edition. If you want to open SVGs or PDFs, then you'll need to upgrade to the Designer Edition, and if you'd like to open up your embroidery designs, then you'll need to upgrade to the Business Edition. We'll go into this more in the Trace and Cut class. The designs that you trace can come from a variety of sources. It could be that they're from a download, a USB stick, a CD-ROM, or an image that you've scanned in yourself. It does need to be in a digital format that is compatible with the version of the software that you're working with. First thing that you need to do is to bring your design into the work area. If your design is too large for your work area, you'll need to resize it to work alongside the medium you've selected. Ideally, your image needs to be in 300 dpi. Just keep an eye open for things that you may download from the internet that will be in a lower resolution. This can affect the overall trace line and may mean you need to do some additional work to get a good result. In a similar way to print and cut, you will need to bring in the registration marks. These are marks so as your cutting machine can get its bearings to cut out the line that we will create in a few moments. As is the case with print and cut, you need to make sure that your design stays within the registration marks. Anything outside of the registration marks won't cut when you come to send your design to your cutting machine. Your die cutting machine won't be able to see the design that you have printed, so we need to let it know where it needs to cut. We do this via the Trace panel. Click on Select Trace Area, a cursor will appear and you draw a box around the area that you're wanting to trace. You'll instantly see a yellow fill. This is where you create your cut edge. Depending on the quality of your design, you may need to use some of the tools to enable you to get a better cut line. We go into this more in the Trace and Cut class. Once you're happy with the concentration of your fill, you choose which trace style you want. This is where the cut line is laid down, and with the use of the registration marks, when you send it to your machine, the design will cut out. There's a lot more to trace and cut, so it's certainly worth checking out the class. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so as you don't miss out on any other videos that might help you with your Silhouette software.